Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix invite collaborator option not showing on your Instagram application. I'm going to be showing you different methods on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So if you're unable to find the collaborator option on your Instagram account, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, the first method is make sure that you have updated your application. So if you haven't updated your application for a while, then it might be one of the reasons why you're unable to find the collaborator option on your Instagram. In order to update it, you need to open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in Instagram. After that, you'll be taken to the Instagram page where you'll be able to see update or open. If you have update, which means that the update is available and you need to update the application. After updating your application, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can tap on open or you can log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you need to click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, click on the drop bar icon in the top right, and from the list you need to click on settings, and then you'll be taken to the settings page where you'll be able to see multiple options. So click on privacy. If you have a private account, then you'll not be able to see the option as invite collaborator. In order to have this feature, you need to make your account public. So then toggle the switch and click on switch to public, which is right at the bottom, and after that refresh the application. Once you refresh it, once again log in into your account, and after that you might be able to fix the issue. If you're still unable to fix it, then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right and do the same procedure. Tap on the drop bar icon, go to settings, scroll down and click on account. As you click on account, you'll be able to see multiple options. Scroll down to the bottom and click on switch to professional account. Now you need to switch your account to your professional account, so go and tap on continue. Now you'll need to select the category, so select any of these options. After that, you need to switch to your business account and click on next. You'll be asked to connect your Facebook. If you want to connect it, then click on login into Facebook. If you don't want to connect it, then simply click on skip. Now this is the last review page, so you can go through it, and if you're sure about it, click on the tick icon in the bottom right corner. After that, you'll be able to see your profile icon once again, and then click on the try button in the top right corner. So as you can see that I've switched my account to a professional account, so you can see there's a display as professional dashboard. After switching to professional account, you might be able to fix the issue. In spite of doing all of these procedures, if you're still unable to fix it, or if you're still unable to find the invite collaborator option on your Instagram, then the last alternative, what you can do is click on the try-bar icon, go to settings, and then scroll down and click on help. Once you click on help, click on report a problem. Click on report a problem once again. Now click on include. You need to state that you are unable to find the collaborator option on your Instagram. You need to request them to fix it as soon as possible. In this way, you can fix invite collaborator option not showing on your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.